China is one of the first countries in the world to produce sugar. Personally wrote in Strange Tales from a Chinese studio. Nowadays, there are many kinds of fruits in the north, and there is nothing that cannot be coated with sugar. We have witnessed the popularization of sugar beets in Shandong, and passed down culinary techniques such as candied and honeyed fruit. Sweetness not only brings pleasure to the senses, but also gives meaning to life. Today, I'll be introducing you to a traditional Chinese dish, Toffee apple fritters. Rinse the fresh apples with water. Peel the outer skin of the apples to maintain the texture of the apples. Then remove the core and pit of the apples. Clean and cut into smaller pieces and set aside in a bowl. Add eggs into the bowl and beat well. Add cornstarch and continue to mix, making sure each apple piece is well coated with the batter. Pour some oil into a pot. Once the oil is hot, add the battered apples to the pot and fry until they are golden brown. Then remove and set aside. Grab another pot, fill it with some water, and add sugar when the water comes to a boil. Keep stirring until all the sugar is dissolved, and bubbles appear on the surface of the liquid. Continue stirring until the syrup turns light yellow. Pour in the apple pieces quickly. Turn off the heat immediately. Toss the apple evenly with the residual heat in the pan to coat with the sugar syrup. Lastly, serve on lightly greased plate. The resulting apples should be golden brown in color, in nice, smooth chunks with long sugar threads. The Chinese have summarized the basic sensations of food into 5 flavors: sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and salty. They have also developed a unique food culture. The key to toffee apple fritters is to eat them with chopsticks, so that you can pull out crystal clear threads of sugar that resemble twisted silver threads. But more importantly is the sweetness that melts on the tongue, while offering a delicious taste. It carries the desire for a better life.